It is my honour tonight to speak of the Dalai Lama and my recent trip to Dharamsala to meet him, a highlight of my life, and to meet with the Tibetan government in exile. It's a particular honour to do so in the presence of Mr. Karma Singh and members of the Tibetan community here in Canberra. The Dalai Lama starred at the 68th Annual Grammy Awards. He won Best Audiobook for his album Meditations, the Reflections of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama. And this award wasn't just a win for an album, but global recognition of the message that the Dalai Lama has championed in every year since 1959, when he was exiled from his beloved home of Tibet and began his long march for human rights. I congratulate the Dalai Lama on his award. In an immediate illustration of the political hostility of the Chinese government to the message of the Dalai Lama and the human rights of the people of Tibet, the Chinese government attacked the award as a tool for anti-China political manipulation. Anyone who listens to the Dalai Lama's album will see the absurdity of this attack. Anyone who knows the history of Tibet and the determination of the Dalai Lama to foster democracy in Tibet can see this attack for what it is: hostility to the freedom of expression and the rights of Tibetans, including their spiritual leader.